Good morning students, Sai Ram. Welcome back once again. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your places. Children, so let's start our today's class. So first, sit in any comfortable pose in which you are comfortable for the long time. In Sukhasana, simple cross-leg position, Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana in which you are comfortable. Place your both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Keep your back straight, head erect. Close your eyes. One time, deep inhale and exhale. Now start 3 round Om chant with a deep inhalation and exhalation. One round, Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye on your face. So children, first we are going to do today Marjari Asana, which is very good for the back. So let's start first with the Marjari Asana.
First, sit in Vajrasana. Now, stand on your knee. Make a gap between both the thighs and knee. Now bend forward. Place the hand on the mat beneath the shoulders with the fingers facing forward. The hand should be in a line with the knees and the arms and the thighs should be perpendicular to the floor. Now inhale, raise the head and depressing the spine so that the back become concave. Expand the abdominal fully and fill the lungs with the maximum amount of air. Hold here. Then exhale by lowering the head and stretching the spine upward. Now contract the abdomen and pull the buttock up. Now slowly again inhale, come at the center. So this is the one round of Marjari Asana. Repeat with the inhalation and exhalation. Inhale up, exhale down. Again inhale up, depress the spine inside. Exhale down. Again inhale up. Exhale, stretch the spine upward. Inhale up. Exhale, move your head down. Look your thigh, your navel region. Again inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now inhale and exhale, come at the center. Now sit in Vajrasana. Relax here for the few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Benefit of Marjari Asana are it improves the flexibility of neck, shoulder and spine. It is generally tones the female reproductive system and giving relief from menstruation cramps and leukorrhea. So you can perform daily this asana 5 to 10 rounds. Now next we are going to do Vyagrasana. So again sit in Vajrasana. Now stand on your knee. Make a gap between both the thighs and knee. Now bend forward. Place your palm completely on the mat. Fingers separated, pointing forward. Now inhale. Stretch your right leg back. Bend your knee, look up and bring the toes towards the head from the back side. Hold this position for the few breaths. Then simultaneously bend the head down, brings the knees towards the nose. Now again repeat this. 1. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Make a curve in your spine. Inhale up. Exhale down. Knees towards your nose. Inhale up. Exhale down. Move your neck, head down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Continue. Stretch your leg up, down. After completing this round, place your leg on the mat. Now from the other side, stretch your left leg back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Move your neck, head down. Inhale up, head up. Exhale down, knees towards the nose. Inhale up. Exhale down. Make a curve movement in your spine. Exhale down. Inhale up. Inhale and exhale. Continue. Inhale, exhale. Bring your legs down. Now release. Sit in Vajrasana. Relax here for the few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Relax. This asana exercise and loosen the back by bending it alternately in both the direction and tones the spine nerves. It releases the sciatica nerves, releasing sciatica and loose up the leg and hip joint. It tones the female reproductive organs. It stretches the abdominal muscles and promote digestion and
Now next we are going to do Bhramari Pranayam, which helps to relieve the stress, anger, anxiety and insomnia. Children, the vibration of humming sound create a smoothing effect on the mind and nervous system. So let's start. So close your ear with your index finger. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply and exhale and create a sound of humming bee. Inhale. 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 One more time. Inhale. After completing this round, place your both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Now normally inhale and exhale deeper and longer, and observe the flow of your breath and the movement of your body. Now rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye, on your face. Now open your eyes.